Hi guys, so currently I am in the Bahamas and I wanted something to wear as jewelry. I don't own too much, so I wanted to try something new. So we just received these and I'm going to open them up and see what's inside. So let's see what it comes with. So first is a gold one with these white beads. Next is this white one with golden seashells, and they are like shorter ones, so they would sit closer to your neck. And then last but not least is a white one with a gold starfish and has like glitter. So I'm going to put these on. So here's this one. This one, there's a wider range, so I'm going to do it more at the end. This is how it looks. I think this is the one that I'm going to wear tonight. So if you're looking for any cute new jewelry, whether it's just for home or for vacation, then I would definitely recommend trying these. Also, this is how they all look on all together. I like how you can have each one at different lengths. If I wanted this to be the shortest, I could have this to be the shortest and this the longest. So that's also another thing I really like. And again, I think that this is really nice for summer vacations, beach, or just going out anywhere.